Ever wish you could make a notification disappear and magically reappear later? Your Galaxy S25 Ultra can do just that. To do so, go to Setting, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open up the Quick Settings panel, and then tap Setting icon. Scroll down the screen, tap Notification, tap Advanced Setting, and then turn on Show Snooze button. When this feature is on, when you receive a notification, for example, a WhatsApp message, pull down the notification panel, tap the notification, and you will see the snooze button. Tap the button, then choose how long you want it hidden. For this example, select 30 minutes, and then tap save. By doing this, the notification will disappear from your panel and status bar, then come back exactly 30 minutes later. With this feature, now you can control when reminders pop back into your life. It's perfect for staying focused without missing out. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.